In this video, I will show you how to fit the SX044 leg on the Ford Everest. Open the crossbar box, remove end caps, and remove all the contents. Shake the crossbar up and down to remove measurement strips and rubber buffer strips. Install the rubber buffer strips. Cut to size if required. Slide the leg insert into the crossbar. Make sure the metal clamp upper is pushed up before inserting into the crossbar, and check the metal upper is completely inside the alloy crossbar. Complete for all 4 legs. Now place the front and rear crossbars onto the vehicle. Measure 10mm in from the second rail detail toward the front of the vehicle. Be sure the leg is sitting snug with the factory rail as shown. Measure from one end of the crossbar to the rear of the leg on both sides. Adjust so both measurements are even. Now tighten the legs. Measure the gap on the underside of the crossbars. Accurately cut the underbar strips to match. Now reinsert end caps. Lock and remove the key. From the centre of the front crossbar, measure back 800mm to the centre of the rear crossbar. This rear crossbar can be repositioned between 800 to 1100mm depending on your requirements. Be sure all fittings are secure before use.